Changing the language in the Expedia app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Expedia app. Launch the Expedia app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account for a seamless experience. Step 2. Access the menu. Locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, in the top corner of the app. Tap on it to open the navigation options. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll through the menu options and find the Settings section. Tap on it to access various app settings. Step 4. Select Language. In the Settings menu, look for the Language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Select your desired language from the list. The app will automatically update to reflect your choice, and you can continue using it in your preferred language. Once you have completed these steps, the Expedia app will display content in the language you selected. Enjoy planning your travels.